Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in another video. After posting a lot of skincare videos, there were a lot of people who were messaging me and asking me about if I have any recommendation or a remedy or a product with which we can lighten up our skin and remove all the pigmentation and get that extra glow. So here I am with a recommendation video. Without a further ado, first let's get started with the video and then let's talk about the miracle product which I have it for you today. So guys, what happens is that with change in season, with change in temperature around us, environment around us, with some skin it happens that our color does change. Or for people who do have a lot of pigmentation on the skin, scars on the skin, a lot of marks on the skin, if they really want to lighten them up, then I have a solution for you all. Who are already following me from a longer period of time, they do know that I do have a lot of freckles and pigmentation around my mouth. But do they know this thing that earlier it was really dark and now you can see clearly that it has reduced 2 or 3 tones down. I am really happy, and that's why today in this video I'm going to talk about a wonderful product which I have been trying out from last 8 to 10 days, and I have seen a visible difference in my skin in just 3 to 4 days. The product I'm talking about is this Cagley London Skin Whitening and Radiance Cream with 24K Gold. Now this is the product which actually showed me results in just 3-4 days, and I have been using this product from last 8-10 days and I've seen a really good change in my skin tone. So this is how the outer packaging look like. This is 100% natural product, paraben free, SLS free and whatnot. This does come with a lot of good benefits for your skin. This is going to remove all the pigmentation, all the scars from your skin and leave a very good glow on your skin. If I talk about the packaging comes in a bottle like this. This comes with its pump and 50 gram of packaging is this. With this pump it becomes really easy to use the product. You can see that the pump itself is really good to use. You just have to take out the product and use it on your skin. Now let's talk about how you can use this product. Initially I started using this day and night, but later I came to a conclusion that it is better to use this only at night for better results. So what you can do is you can follow your normal CTM routine, and at the end you can use this serum on your skin, leave it overnight, and you can see a really good difference in just few days. What I like to do is, how I like to use this is, I always follow a CTM routine. I do cleansing, toning and moisturizing. After cleansing and toning, I like to use this serum instead of moisturizer, then top it off with my normal moisturizer, and then I go off to bed and wash it during the morning. With this I have seen a lot of changes in the pigmentation and the scars and the glow on my skin. Earlier my pigmentation around my mouth was really too much, but now it has reduced to 3 tones down, and I will still going to continue this product for good, I am planning to use it for good few months, that I can remove the pigmentation around my mouth. This is such a wonderful product. I love to use it. My normal serum is being replaced by the Cagley London Skin Brightening Serum. I really love it. You can also give it a try if you have a pigmentation, if you have scars, or if you want to lighten up your skin and you want that brightness on your skin. You can get your product from Cagley.in. The link and the other information is down in the description box. You can go ahead and check that out.
Now let's quickly see how to apply it. Take 2-3 pumps of this cream out. Just mix it well properly, warm up the product and apply it on your face directly. I always do it after cleansing and toning. Just massage it well properly in the skin so that it seeps into the skin properly and gives more better result. So this is how I do it on regular basis, and look at the nourishment and the glow.
Is little expensive, but it is worth every single penny, because the effect which you're going to get is unreplaceable. So I really like this product, and I highly recommend this product to you all, Cagley London Skin Whitening and Radiance Serum. You can definitely give it a try. This is good for all skin types, this is good for all age groups, so without any fear you can just grab your product and use it on your skin. That is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comment section below what all other sorts of videos you want me to incorporate in my skincare routine. I would love to make videos according to that. That is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I shall meet you in my next one. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.